In this video, let's create this typographic poster. First of all, draw a rectangle that resembles the background of the poster. Create a text object and type in some text. I already have text copied, I will just paste here. And I will change the font to Delagothic 1. And I will make this text uppercase. Extensions, text, change case to uppercase. I'll change this to a white color. Now, to make this effect, select the spiral tool. Click and drag. I will give a white stroke color just for you to visualize. If I double click, I can reduce these rounds. So I will reduce it to around this much. And select both by pressing Shift. Now go to Text, put on Path. Now you can see you have this effect. You can even make it even smaller. Now if you go to the Layers panel, you have the path. You can hide the path. So now you will only see the letters. I will create another text object and paste. This is how you create this simple effect on Inkscape.